...2018 Honda Accord EXL 1.5 turbo. Remote start. Midnight Black Edition. Good set of tires with aluminum alloy wheels. Tinted windows. Dual chrome tip exhaust. Well-kept black leather interior. Carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver's seat. I hit the button too many times. Got USB charge ports and audio inputs. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Smart cruise, lane keep assist. Blind spot monitor. Hands-free Bluetooth. Auto headlights, fog lights. Just over 84,000 miles. And see if we got a sunroof. Come out and see us at U-Cars.